Taking your baby for their first night away from home can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. As a parent, you want to ensure that this experience is as comfortable and stress-free as possible for both you and your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you prepare for this big step. Start by choosing a familiar environment. Whether it's a relative's house or a trusted friend's place, familiarity can help ease your baby's anxiety. Pack their favorite toys, blankets, and any comfort items that remind them of home. Next, maintain their routine as much as possible. Babies thrive on consistency, so try to stick to their usual feeding, napping, and bedtime schedules. This will help them feel secure and more at ease in a new setting. Prepare a detailed checklist of essentials. Diapers, wipes, extra clothes, and bottles are just the beginning. Don't forget any medications or special items your baby might need. Having everything on hand will give you peace of mind. Communication is key. If someone else will be caring for your baby, make sure they are familiar with your baby's needs and routines. Provide them with emergency contact information and any specific instructions. Before the big night, consider doing a trial run. Spend a few hours in the new environment with your baby to help them adjust. This can make the actual overnight stay smoother for everyone involved. Lastly, trust your instincts and remember that it's okay to feel anxious. It's a significant milestone, and with preparation and patience, it can be a positive experience for both you and your baby. Remember, every baby is different, so find what works best for your family. With these tips, you're well on your way to a successful first night away from home.